We are enthusiastic, but often careless. We want to do everything in the quickest, easiest, and possible way, but habitually we forget about the preparation of it. Today's gospel portrays the two dimensions of our mode of life, where Jesus speaks about the two variations of our life, that is, the two building site. One is rock and another is sand. That means rock versus sand. Yes, dear friends, it is easy to build on sand. No need of any hardship or hard work. We can work it quickly, easily, and with no time. But problem arises when it faces with natural calamities, and it may destroy it or collapse like anything. On the other hand, it is difficult to build on work on rock because it needs physical exertion and pain, and it takes a lot of time. But the foundation may strong. We need to dig it deeply. It also takes time and it requires a lot of preparation. While walking on the rock, we feel hurt and unhappiness, but at the end, we will be satisfied. No one can know how to build a strong foundation unless he hears or read or study the blueprint of it. We automatically build weak foundations. When we do not know how to build a strong foundation, the foolish man did the same thing also. He heard the same truth and he has same intelligence, but he showed his foolishness how to build a strong foundation. No one can know how to build a strong foundation unless one hears or studies or read the blueprints. We automatically build weak foundation. When we do not know how to build a strong foundation unless one hears or read the blueprint. We automatically build the weak foundation when we do not know how to make a strong foundation. The foolish man has the same truth, same equal intelligence, and he can understand everything equally. But his foolishness is shown that he does not secure the truth putting into practice. We too have a lot of truths and a lot of values, but problem arises when we put that truth and values into practice. In the same way in our religious life too. We can follow the undemanding and easy path, escaping from all the problems neutrally and avoiding the problematic situations and tensions. We can lead a secure life in the four walls of our religious institutions, but without any disturbance or any problem. It does not necessitate any adversity or pain. But when we face the troubles and tribulations in our future life as a religious priest or a religious person, we will be wrecked or broken down as a house that was made on sand which collapsed and destroyed when the natural calamities affected. If we are putting our foundation now in our formation period in a strong one, if we are facing all the problems and tribulations, and if we are putting a strong foundation now in our formation period, facing all the problems and troubles and tribulations, and try to resolve it and train and equip ourselves for the future ministry as a religious priest or religious person, we will stand firm as a house which was built on rock and that is not shaken. As we are under formation, we are building up a strong foundation. So let's wise enough to do it on rock. That will make a great difference in our life. It's written on Robert Frost's poem, The Road Not Taken. Two roads diverged on a wood and I took the one less traveled by. And that has made all the difference. So dear friends, let's make our life a different one. One monk used to say this prayer: Lord, disturb me, so that I may disturb the undisturbed, and I may undisturb the disturbed. Thank you. Have a nice day.